To create install DaVinci Resolve, then we need to go either to settings or search for control panel, which is much easier. So search on control panel, then click enter. Locate on programs and features, then locate DaVinci Resolve and its several apps. So I'll start DaVinci Resolve, click on install, yes. Once that is done, click on the other one and do the same. So if by chance you also want to remove the file Excel library, then you can do so by repeating the same. So we're done with control panel, and the next thing that we go is Windows Explorer. So locate your C drive and go to program files, locate the Blackmagic design folder and delete it. Then go back to your C drive and locate ProgramData. ProgramData, if your ProgramData is not very visible, then you have to enable it. Go to View, Show, and tick hidden items. Once you've done that one, then go to ProgramData, locate Blackmagic design folder and delete it. Again, we go to C drive, go to users, locate your username, mine is user, then locate AppData. Again, if AppData is not visible, enable it on View, Show, and tick hidden items. AppData, roaming, and locate Blackmagic design. Design usually even on documents, so move that one on documents. Go back to videos, remove all the folders just created, the proxy media, the gallery, and also the cache files. Now you can install the new DaVinci Resolve and follow the on-screen steps. Thank you for watching. Like our videos.